How to install and demo automatic operated napkin vending machine. Carefully open the packaging and take all necessary mounting components for installation. Select a suitable mounting location, then drill the wall holes for installation. Insert the wall plugs first, then tighten the mounting screws. Now mount the machine into the screw. The machine is now ready for use. Open the door to refill pads in each spiral, then close the door properly. Machine mechanism, safety MCB, on-off button, multi-coin acceptor, digital display, inspection window, door lock, napkin collection point, operating mechanism. Connect the 2-pin wire of the electric board and plug in. Turn on MCB and switch on the button. Insert 5 rupees coin in multi-coin acceptor and get the napkin. Thanks for connecting us.